Okay, in this question here, we want to solve this exponential equation. So first thing I want to do is I just really want to have my whole number bases and only my whole number bases. So I'm just going to rewrite the right side, switching from radical form to exponential form. The 9 is the base. I raise it to the power of x and divide it by 3 because it's the third root. So I need to find a common base. I want to rewrite both sides of the equation using a common base. So my strategy is I go to the smallest of the two and I see, is that a common base? So can I multiply 9 by itself a whole number of times to get 243? No, I can't. So then I go smaller than 9, and 9 has a factor of 3. And I can write both of those with 3. So 243 is 3 multiplied by itself 5 times, and 9 is 3 multiplied by itself twice. So now I have a common base. I'm good to go. So I use power of power law and I multiply my exponents together. So 5 times 2x, 5 times 3 equals on the other side 2 times x divided by 3. Now, for this to be an equation equal on both sides, and you have the same base on both sides, the only way that that can happen is if the exponents themselves are equal. So I'll make those equal. And then right away, that fraction is bothering me. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of my fraction. So I have 3 times 10x, 3 times 15 equals 2x. Now you can isolate to whatever side you want to for x. What I'll do is I'll subtract 30x to both sides. Doesn't matter which side you use though. And I have 45 equals negative 28x, and I'll divide both sides by negative 28. So in doing so, I get x is equal to, always keep your negative in the numerator, negative 45 over 28. Now, any question that I do solving, I always want to check to see, did I do that correctly? So what I'm going to do is go into my calculator. And in Y1, you can see I've put the left side. In Y2, I've put the right side of the equation. The check always happens in the table. So second window into table set, and I'm literally going to punch in negative 45 divided by 28. Okay, so you plug in whatever you think your solution might be. Then you go into your table, second graph, and I can see that for that number, look at that, y1 equals y2, which tells me it's the solution. Notice it's not equal for any other value because those are not solutions. So back up here, y1 equals y2, which tells me that my solution is correct.